Okay, this is a question which have a different interesting term itself as the question. We have a word called as helotism. The word helot means slave. I could not get the language origins, but the word helot means slave. And the word helotism means slavery. So, what is helotism? Helotism is a symbiotic relation, that means two organisms will to live it together. Symbiotic relation in which one functions as slave to the other. So we have, for instance, party A and party B are in symbiosis. When do we call two organisms are in symbiosis? When A helps B and B also helps A. Mutually, they come to a term wherein both of them will be benefited by both. So, in helotism, in this symbiosis, one component dominates over the other even if it is symbiosis. Uses the other as slave. So, if we see such one party in symbiosis is dominating other, I call it as helotism. So, we are speaking about symbiosis of algae and fungi. So, what do we call the symbiosis as? Lichen. Algal component is called as phycobiont and fungal component is called as mycobiont. You studied this. Here, who uses the other party? Fungi takes algal component as slave. So, who is the helot here? The alga is helot. Who is the master? Fungi is the master. So, you can see this is a picture how you can, what all are non-green color are hyphae of the fungus, that is, this is the mycelium of the fungus which is attaching the lichen to the substratum with these root like structures. And again I have the upper part formed, this is the vertical section formed by the mycelium of fungus, and you can see how the hyphae entered inside algae to absorb the food made by algae. In this relation, algae makes food and fungus gives anchorage, absorption of nutrients from the soil. So the algae has to make only food. It's like everything is brought, he has to only cook kind of thing. All the water, minerals, everything will be absorbed by the fungi, and alga in turn prepares food for fungus because it is giving him the absorption and anchorage. But you can see the fungal mycelium captured algal layer within the structure. The algae are not exposed outside. They are a kind of trapped within the mycelium. The fungi will not allow alga to perform sexual reproduction because if it grows, then it may be dominating the fungus. So, no sexual reproduction for algae in lichens, and fungi captures algae and slows down the growth of alga. So it is making algae survive but on its terms. You will not perform sexual reproduction. You will not grow beyond this point because fungi is controlling the algae. The algae is the slave and fungi is the master. Such symbiosis is halotism we see in lichens.